Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you doing? Hope you're doing very well and we'll be pleased if you're gonna like or comment and most importantly subscribe the channel. Well, there is an important topic to let you know, that is about how to check the trending, how to make a video. It's the very first day I researched upon a topic, so I thought that let me share with you guys. Okay, the very first thing what you have to do to check the trend for today's trends, you have to open up the Google. Okay, you have to open up the Google Chrome. Okay, then you have to just write down here trends. Okay, trends. I'm not letting you know anything else here. When you will write down the trends in the search bar, okay, the very first thing what you have to do is you have to click upon the Google Trends, right? After clicking here, okay, the next window will pop up at front of you, will be like that. Okay, here you can select the country. Okay, there are a lot of countries here. You can select the country, okay, in which you really wanna know about the trend, like what is trending position, or what trends are going on in Afghanistan, or Albania or Algeria, American Soba, Andorra, stuff like that, Pakistan, India, etc, etc. Okay, the next thing what you have to do is you simply have to jump upon these three lines icon. Okay, after clicking upon the three lines icon, you can you can find simply by clicking the third one. Okay, in the scroll down list, there is the third number of the trending searches. Okay, you have to click upon here. Okay, when you will click upon trending searches, this is the main topic. Okay, now the next window will pop up at front of us. There is the searches by, okay, because the country was selected United States. Okay, in United States last 10 hour, what was the searches, what is the trend? Okay, that Bulls versus Hornets. Okay, so this is the way how we have to find out the searches. Okay, these are the trending searches. Okay, Bulls versus Hornets. This is the searches. It's been 10 hours, last 10 hours. Okay, this is the hottest topic. Okay, if we talk about the last 1 hour, okay, 2 million plus people, or more than 2 million people are looking for the Mega Millions, right? Okay, there is an important thing. If you want to look upon the in-depth category, in-depth search results, okay, you have to click upon the Mega Millions. Okay, the whatever the topic you think it's better, okay, it is the trending. Okay, after clicking upon the Mega Million, you jump to the next window. Okay, Mega Million numbers. Okay, Mega Millions, these are the tags. If you are gonna make a video or shoot a video upon the topic Mega Millions, and you're gonna use all these tags, so it's mean that you can become the highest video. Your video can be in the top ranking videos. So this is what I wanted to say. Hope you got the point. Okay, real-time search trends, you can check here. Okay, you can search here. These are the in-depth category. Okay, well, you can find out the category about business, entertainment, health, or sports, or top stories. Whatever you wanna select the category, you can select. Okay, you can change the country, or you can check the daily search trends. Okay, the point is this: there are some more things which are really important, really important, but what important is just to get to know about the trendings. What I have stated in the video, what I have declared, this was all about. Okay, if you think it's helpful, please check the search trends, and on the basis of the searches, on the basis of trending searches, you are going to make your next video. Okay, it's going to be really fruitful for you. And if you think that okay, Mega Millions is fine and more than 2 million people are have researched upon the Mega Millions, then you have to click upon here and shoot a video upon the Mega Million. Okay, and what you have to do is you have to use all these tags in your video so your video can rank well. Okay, my name is, my name is Osman. Okay, you are going to subscribe my channel for appreciation because I'm new one here in this world. Okay, in this world of YouTube, in this social media world. Okay, thank you so much, thank you so much again for subscription. Bye bye.